Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 9. Its title is My Friend. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about beginning sound. Before this, I have taught you initial sounds, but the initial sounds and beginning sound is the same concept. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again and let's learn further to identify the words that begins with the same sound. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Muzammil, verse 4, and recite the Quran with measured recitation. Subhanallah. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us to recite Quran with measured recitation. Means we should learn to recite Quran properly. Are you learning how to recite Quran? Very good. I know my all children are putting effort. So beta, if Allah is asking us to recite Quran properly, it means whatever we should say it properly. Okay? So for that we need to learn. The way we are learning how to recite Quran, are we learning that? Likewise, we need to learn how to say words in English, how to say words in Urdu, right? We should learn it. Okay, so first you tell me, what is beginning sound? What is beginning sound? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I know you are smart. You have answered correctly that the beginning. I told you beginning and initial, it's the same. Beginning sound is the first sound that you can hear when you say any word. Yesterday we have also revised this statements, okay? When we say a word, the first sound which we say is the beginning sound. We say or we hear. For example, look at these pictures. It is a picture of line. So what is the beginning sound? L. And L is the sound of letter L. Likewise, say it. Net. So what is the beginning sound? And N is the sound of letter N. Remember, better we need to practice and revise everything. So that's make us perfect. Okay. Pencil. So what is the beginning sound? P. And P is the sound of letter P. House. So what is the beginning sound? And is the big sound for letter H. All right. So this is beginning sound concept. Now, one beginning sound can be beginning sound of many words. For example, if I say pin, pan, pen, all these words are starting with the same sound. So they have same beginning sound. Even then there can be more. Pin, pan, pen, pencil, paper, plastic, many more. Okay, so this is how better when to compare words for the same sound, same beginning sound, we need to listen carefully and we need to speak clearly. Pin, pan, pen, pencil, paper, plastics. Now you understand all the words are starting with the same sound. That's why they have same beginning sound. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, I'm going to check you through an activity. Teacher will divide class in groups and teacher will assign a different initial sound to every group. Okay, different beginning sound will be given to every group. Each student in the group will say a word with the beginning sound assigned to the group. Okay, so teacher will give you a sound, for example, B to one, P to other, G to other. Okay, so every member of the group will say a word with the same sound. Okay, pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from the book. You have to encircle the words that begin with the same sound in each row. Okay, and what is row? This way. Okay, when we move this way, from here to here, it's a row. You have to read all the words and encircle the words which have same beginning sound. Okay, pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you could do it easily, as it's cap and can, pet and pen, bed and bet, hug and hut. This is how you complete it, right? Okay, so it's time for your homework. You will write 5 pairs of words, each pair with the same beginning sound. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And children, what you are going to do, you will underline the beginning sound of each word. Now read and write word with the same beginning sound. Okay, so underline the beginning sound and write a word starting with the same sound over here. Okay, so what we have learned today, we learned that the first sound that we hear when we say a word is beginning sound, and we identify words with the same beginning sound. In this way, we achieved our SLO to identify the words that begins with the same sound. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.